Alright, we are going to make this video incredibly quickly today. Earlier today, I saw a couple posts from people saying that there was a data breach with Trezor, that Trezor has been hacked. Trezor ended up coming out responding to one of the tweets, and I think they even have a post on their official page as well. Hi, if you're referring to this email, it's a scam. As you can see, it's not sent by us. We are not aware of any recent data breaches. To be honest, I wasn't even planning on making a YouTube video today, but I do have a couple family members who got worried that they ended up getting an email saying that their Trezor devices were hacked and asked me if it was real. Spoiler alert, they don't even own Trezor devices. They use a different cold storage device. So guys, there's been a lot of scam emails, text messages, hell, even physical letters being sent to people's houses. 9 out of 10 times, they are all scams. These companies will never reach out to you asking you to give them any information. If you do, you will lose your crypto, you will lose your money, and you will not get it back. The moral of the story today, guys, is if anyone sends you anything asking for seed phrases, emails, passwords, it's a scam. Please be careful. Please warn your friends and family who aren't as crypto literate as you guys are. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Like I said, I wasn't even planning on making this video, but it seems like there is something going around, even if there wasn't a data breach theirself with Trezor. But hopefully you liked this video, guys. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.